just a good old boy.
Alright, y'all. Let's see. Tuesday, this upcoming week, on the 15th, October 15th, we are going to be announcing this again at the Sunbelt Ag Expo in Moultrie, Georgia. It's the only day I will be there, is on Tuesday. I can't be there any longer than that because I got to get back to do stuff for the farm. I have a schedule. I want to get this out there so everybody knows, because by the time this video comes out, it's not going to be long for the show. At 10 a.m. on Tuesday morning, we will be at the tedding demonstration. Last year we missed that. We will be at the tedding demonstration this year. That is all the morning demonstrations we are going to be attending. Okay, whenever the tedding demonstration finishes, whether it lasts 30 minutes or ever how long it lasts, we will be leaving from there and going to all the booths. That's when I'm going to be looking at all the equipment, booths, and everything else, and checking everything out and seeing what all's new this year. If there's anything new, I'm mostly going to focus on newer stuff, or maybe some stuff I didn't go quite in good detail last year. Is my goal on the videos this year. They would not let me bring a drone because the airfield is right next to it, and it's also an ex-military base, and there's a prison next to the facility, which I figured they probably wouldn't. I was hoping that they would, but they've just now told me they were super nice. The staff was down there, the ladies that runs the office. They told me that they've just now gotten permission to to fly their own drone for promotional reasons. So I can't do that, but we will be filming like we did last year the best I can. And we will be floating around all the booths from 11 a.m. to 1 a.m. Now, from 1 p.m. to 1:30, we will be in the AGCO booth, probably more than likely in the Massey Ferguson area, somewhere probably near maybe the inline, maybe one of the 4700 series tractors or the 5000 series tractors, kind of in that area. Maybe looking at those, talking with other people. I will be doing a meet and greet then. If you want to meet me, I will be in that area during that time, unless something comes up. You never know, medical emergency, something. We might be not there because of that, or you just never know. So that's the schedule for that. Now, we will be going back to the demonstration fields at 2:30 for baling, and we'll also be there all the way into 3 o'clock when they do the mowing. So we will be in the demonstration fields for an hour from 2:30 to 3. The reason why I did that was so that way we wouldn't have to do a lot of running back and forth. We could hit two things at once. That was the only time that they had the mowing and the baling or together. Tedding, I don't even know I think they're just doing tedding maybe once in the morning, but I'm not sure. I don't remember exactly right. And then we will be leaving probably around 4:35 to head back home, because it is quite a drive from there home from where we live. So that's the plan. That's the schedule I'll be in. I'll be floating around a little bit everywhere in between the demonstrations and the meet and greet throughout the show. If you see me, talk to me. I'm going to have a Bagwell Farms shirt on. It's either going to be a shirt like this that's gray, possibly black, or I'll have a Carhartt shirt on. It's probably going to be a darker color with white Bagwell Farms lettering on it. And I'll either have this hat on, the blue and white hat, or I'll have a camouflage Massey Ferguson hat on that I used to wear all the time. Typically it's my nicer hats, the one I generally wear out to eat and stuff, rather than these. These are my work hats. Gotta look nice when you go out. That, my wife really likes the camo hat, so that's one reason why she has me wear it when we go out somewhere. So I'll probably be in one of those. That'll be what I'll be dressed in, blue jeans, obviously. So that way, to make it a little easier for y'all to pick me out. Don't be afraid to say something. If you're see me, come up here, introduce yourself, say hey, whatever, and whatnot. Just please be respectful. My wife and everything's going to be there too. Just please be kind and courteous, I guess you should say. Don't yell at me because I don't like a tractor you like, or something like that. But yeah, we will be there. Cotton Top's going to be there in the Husqvarna booth. I know he's going to be there. He will be there all 3 days. I think other YouTubers that are also going to be there is probably SLC Farms and Gerald Farms. I think they're coming. Let's see. Other than that, I haven't heard anything for sure that I know of. Maybe y'all know some. Put it in the comments. That way, it'll help other people meet other YouTubers that may be there. So it's a good show. Y'all come out. They've got every kind of thing you could think of: grain, farming equipment, planters, drills, a whole thing. They mostly focus on cotton and peanuts because that's typically what they do down there in real South Georgia, down there where Moultrie's at. Is those two. They'll generally have those demonstrations going on in the field. They always have cotton picking every year. If you've never seen that process, gotta go by there and at least just watch them pick cotton with the cotton pickers. It's pretty dang cool watching that. They have sprayer demonstrations going on with applications. You watch all that. I mean, it's just endless. The demonstrations they have and all the equipment that's there. You don't typically see combines running as far as like picking corn or something, but I think they do that sometimes, but it's not every year. They may have it this year. I don't know. It just depends. So y'all come out, see us. They've got every kind of tractor there, every kind of hay equipment there is. They all have booths, cattle demonstrations, producers feed. I mean, all kinds of stuff. Grain bin demonstrations, different kinds of stuff there. You name it, if it's in ag, they've got it or got something related to it there for you to look at. You also have a lot of the smaller booths with local or just startup stuff starting out. That's really cool to walk through and see some of the new innovations that producers like ourselves or of any kind, whether it's cattle, livestock, whatever, chickens, they have all that stuff there too. And you can see the newer stuff that people like us has come up with, and they're trying to sell it and get it started. And you can look at it possibly and buy some of it if it's a really cool idea that you like. Just all kinds of neat stuff, food, everything you can think of. It's a really great fun time. It's from the 15th to the 17th, 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. They have it at the same time every year. It's in Moultrie, Georgia. I probably am not going to be going to this show next year. So if you want to meet me, you better, if you're close by, come on down. Because more than likely, I'm not going to be there next year. I'll just tell you that. I don't think, I might, if I get invited down and one of the companies want me to come down, I might come then, but more than likely I will not be making it next year. So if you want to meet me, see me, or just come to the show, period, obviously they'll have it next year, but if I will only be there this year, probably not going to come next year. I may go to the Kentucky show next year, or well, it won't be next year, it'll be 2021, maybe, but I'm not really, I haven't made up my mind yet, but I'm almost certain I'm not going to be going to the Sunbelt Ag Expo again next year, just because of family reasons and other stuff that we're probably going to have going on then, and it's just not going to be good. Maybe the year after, but not this upcoming year, more than likely. Who knows? That's a year from now. It could change, but I don't think I'm going to be back so this upcoming year. So y'all, if you want to see me, I can't guarantee you anything next year. So come on out, say hey, stop by. It's a real good time. It's not that expensive to get in, or at least it hasn't been and it's just a real good fun time if you're in ag, and just to see everything that there is out there. I mean, it's a good show. So thank y'all for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and I hope I'll see y'all down at the Sunbelt Ag Expo. Don't be afraid to walk up and say hey, talk to me. I am there for y'all. That's why I'm going.